Thinking of owning a parrot as a pet? Well, these vibrant winged wonders offer more than just their striking beauty. Parrots are fascinating creatures, each carrying a treasure trove of unique characteristics. From their surprisingly long lifespan, their dexterous use of feet while eating, to their uncanny ability to mimic human speech, and even their strong pair bonding. These are just the tips of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn about these intriguing avian companions. Stay tuned to find out the 10 things you should know before owning a parrot. Firstly, did you know that parrots can live for a very long time? Indeed, these vibrant and sociable birds boast an impressive lifespan that can rival, and sometimes even surpass, that of a human. Depending on the species, some parrots can live up to 80 years or more. For instance, macaws, one of the larger parrot species, can live well into their 80s. Now consider the implications of this long lifespan on pet ownership. Owning a parrot is a commitment that could span several decades. It's not just about providing a home, food, and care for a few years. It's about being there for the long haul, for the ups and downs through thick and thin. It's about nurturing a bond that could last a lifetime. So when you think about welcoming a parrot into your home, remember, owning a parrot is a long-term commitment, so it's important to consider their lifespan before bringing one into your home. Next, let's talk about how parrots eat. One of the unique traits of parrots is that they eat with their feet. Yes, you heard that right. They use their feet much like we use our hands to grasp their food and bring it to their mouths. Imagine trying to eat dinner without your hands. Seems pretty tricky, right? That's why parrots need specific considerations when it comes to feeding and cage setup. Their cages should be spacious enough to allow them to move freely and use their feet without any obstructions. The feeding bowls should be sturdy and easy to grip with their feet. Variety is also key in a parrot's diet, so make sure to offer different foods that they can grip and explore with their feet. It's a delightful sight to see parrots enjoying their meals, using their feet with such precision and skill. Remember, parrots need a safe and comfortable environment to eat their meals. Ever wondered why parrots can mimic human speech? It's because of their unique voice box, called the syrinx, which is located at the base of their trachea. This complex structure allows parrots to produce a wide range of sounds, including human speech, when it contracts different muscles. Parrots don't just mimic speech for entertainment, it's also a form of social interaction. In the wild, parrots communicate with members of their flock through calls and songs. When kept as pets, humans become their flock, and they mimic speech to interact and bond with us. This mimicry ability also highlights the parrot's need for mental stimulation. Parrots are intelligent birds that require plenty of interaction and engagement to keep their brains active. Teaching your parrot to talk and respond to words can be a fun and rewarding way to provide this mental exercise. Parrots are social birds that thrive on interaction, so be prepared to spend quality time with your feathery friend. What do parrots eat? Now that's a question with a fascinating answer. Parrots are omnivores, meaning their diet includes both plants and meat. In the wild, they feast on an array of fruits, nuts, seeds, flowers, and even insects. But what about pet parrots? While they enjoy a wide variety of foods, their diet should primarily consist of specialized parrot pellets. These are nutritionally complete, providing our feathered friends with the nutrients they need. Of course, it's also important to supplement this with fresh fruits and vegetables. Apples, carrots, and leafy greens are parrot favorites. Be aware though, not all human foods are safe. Onions, avocado, and chocolate, for instance, are no-nos for parrots. Lastly, remember to provide a source of calcium, like cuttlebone or mineral block, to keep their beaks strong and healthy. In sum, a balanced diet that includes pellets, fruits, vegetables, and calcium, with the occasional treat of nuts or seeds, is key to keeping your parrot healthy and happy. Did you know that parrots mate for life? Yes, these vibrant creatures are monogamous, sticking with one partner throughout their remarkably long lifespan. This commitment is not just about companionship, but also about mutual support. Parrots help each other in food gathering, nest building, and raising their chicks. This fidelity has more than just romantic implications, it also affects how we understand and care for these birds. In the wild, parrots experience a rich social life with their mates. As pet owners, we must strive to provide an environment that respects this essential aspect of their behavior. If a parrot is alone, it may experience loneliness and stress. Enriching their life with social interactions, toys, and challenges can help reduce these feelings. It's also important to remember that parrots can form strong bonds with their human caregivers, considering them as their mates. Understanding your parrot's mating habits can help you provide a better environment for them. So let's cherish and respect these wonderful companions in all their colorful complexity. How much do parrots weigh, you might ask? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Just like us, parrots come in all shapes and sizes. Some petite parakeets might weigh as little as a few ounces, while a hefty hyacinth macaw can tip the scales at up to 7 pounds. This variance in weight is something to consider when welcoming a parrot into your home. It's not just about how much food they'll eat or how much space they'll need to spread their wings. Their weight also determines the kind of perches and cages they require. A frail perch or a flimsy cage is no match for a 7-pound macaw. Therefore, it's crucial to provide your feathery friend with a sturdy home that can comfortably accommodate their weight. So while parrots may not be the largest pets you could own, they certainly demand their fair share of consideration in terms of habitat. Parrots may be small, but they need sturdy homes to accommodate their weight. Ever noticed how strong a parrot's beak is? There's more to this feature than meets the eye. A parrot's beak is not just for eating, it's a vital tool for climbing, playing, and exploring their environment. This beak is so powerful it can crack open hard nuts and seeds with ease. However, this strength also brings a unique challenge for parrot owners. Parrots have a natural desire to chew, and if they don't have suitable toys, they may turn their attention to your furniture or even electrical wires, which can be hazardous. Providing a variety of chew toys not only keeps your parrot entertained, but it also helps maintain their beak health. It's like a workout for their beaks. Remember, a parrot's beak grows continuously, much like our fingernails. Regular chewing helps keep their beak in check, preventing overgrowth and related health issues. A strong beak is a sign of a healthy parrot, but it also means they need plenty of things to chew on. Before we wrap up, let's review what we've learned. Parrots are fascinating creatures, each with their own unique quirks and habits. Their remarkably long lifespan means that owning a parrot is a long-term commitment, often lasting several decades. These vibrant birds eat with their feet, a distinctive trait that's both entertaining and a testament to their adaptability. Plus, parrots are among the few animals that can mimic human speech, making them incredibly endearing companions. Remember, parrots are omnivorous. They thrive on a varied diet, so it's important to provide them with the right balance of fruits, vegetables, and proteins. Parrots are also monogamous, often staying with a single mate for life. This highlights the depth of their emotional capacity and their need for social interaction. When it comes to their physical attributes, parrots can weigh up to 7 pounds. Their size and weight can vary greatly, depending on the species. And let's not forget their beaks. Parrots have extremely strong beaks, capable of cracking open hard nuts and also causing significant damage if they bite. Understanding these facts is crucial before deciding to bring a parrot into your home. These birds are more than just colorful companions. They're complex beings that require time, commitment, and a whole lot of love. Owning a parrot can be a rewarding experience, but it's important to be fully prepared for the responsibility. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what it takes to own a parrot. It's a journey filled with long conversations, feathered cuddles, and colorful companionship. If you're eager to learn more about the fascinating world of pets, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. We strive to provide valuable insights that help you make informed decisions about pet ownership. Remember, taking care of a pet requires commitment and understanding. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more pet care tips and tricks.